Welcome to Learning Life content like share, comment and subscribe. This helps us to grow and motivates us to bring more interesting stories. Let's embark on a journey, exploring the wonders of the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean, a vast, mesmerizing expanse of blue that stretches as far as the eye can see, an endless horizon that captivates the imagination and stirs the soul. It is a place of profound mystery and boundless wonder, where the horizon meets the sky in a seamless blend of azure hues, creating a breathtaking panorama that is both serene and awe-inspiring. The third largest ocean on our planet, covering an immense area of approximately 70.56 million square kilometers. It is a colossal body of water that holds many secrets beneath its surface, a vast and enigmatic realm that has fascinated explorers, scientists and adventurers for centuries. It stretches from the east coast of Africa to the shores of Australia and Indonesia, encompassing a diverse range of climates, cultures and ecosystems. This ocean is a bridge between continents, a connector of worlds, a vast expanse that links the ancient and the modern, the traditional and the contemporary. This vast expanse of water is teeming with life, a rich tapestry of ecosystems and creatures yet to be fully understood. From the tiniest plankton to the majestic blue whale, the Indian Ocean is home to an incredible array of marine biodiversity, a vibrant and dynamic world that is constantly evolving and adapting. The Indian Ocean plays a crucial role in global weather patterns. Its warm waters influence monsoons, cyclones and other weather phenomena that affect millions of people around the world. The ocean's currents and temperatures are vital to the Earth's climate system, shaping weather patterns and influencing the global climate in ways that are both subtle and profound. It's a vital shipping route, connecting countries and cultures for centuries. The Indian Ocean has been a highway for trade and exploration, a pathway for the exchange of goods, ideas and traditions. From ancient spice routes to modern shipping lanes, it remains a crucial artery of global commerce, a lifeline that sustains economies and fosters cultural exchange. But beneath its surface lies a world of wonder, a realm of vibrant coral reefs, majestic marine creatures, and ancient fishing traditions. Divers and explorers are continually discovering new species and uncovering the mysteries of this underwater paradise, a hidden world that is as fascinating as it is beautiful. This ocean, however, faces increasing threats. Human activities have led to pollution, overfishing and habitat destruction, putting immense pressure on its delicate ecosystems. The once abundant marine life is now struggling to survive in many areas, a stark reminder of the impact of human actions on the natural world. Pollution, overfishing and climate change cast a shadow on its future. Oil spills, plastic waste and rising sea temperatures are just a few of the challenges that threaten the health of the Indian Ocean and its inhabitants. These threats are a call to action, a reminder of the urgent need to protect and preserve this vital and irreplaceable resource. It's our responsibility to understand and protect this incredible body of water for the sake of the planet and for generations to come. Conservation efforts, sustainable practices and global cooperation are essential to preserving the Indian Ocean's beauty and bounty for future generations. By working together, we can ensure that this magnificent ocean continues to thrive, a testament to the resilience and beauty of the natural world. The Indian Ocean breathes life into the land masses that surround it. This vast body of water, stretching from the eastern coast of Africa to the western shores of Australia, is a dynamic force of nature. It influences the climate, weather patterns, and even the cultures of the regions it touches. The Indian Ocean is not just a geographical feature. It is a lifeline for millions of people who depend on its bounty for their livelihoods. The most dramatic example of this is the monsoon, a seasonal wind system driven by the temperature differences between the ocean and the continents. The monsoon is a complex and fascinating phenomenon that has been studied for centuries. It is a crucial element in the climate system of the Indian Ocean region, affecting everything from agriculture to water supply. During the summer months, the land heats up faster than the ocean. This differential heating is a key driver of the monsoon winds. As the sun beats down on the land, temperatures soar, creating a stark contrast with the relatively cooler ocean waters. This causes air to rise over the land, creating an area of low pressure. The rising air carries with it the heat from the land, and as it ascends, it cools and condenses, forming clouds. This process is the beginning of the monsoon cycle. The Indian Ocean, cooler in comparison, has higher air pressure. The cooler air over the ocean is denser and sinks, creating a high-pressure area. This difference in pressure between the land and the ocean sets the stage for the monsoon winds. This difference in air pressure causes wind to rush from the ocean towards the land, bringing with it vast amounts of moisture. These winds, laden with moisture from the ocean, travel across the land, bringing much-needed rain to the parched regions. These monsoon winds bring much-needed rain to India, Southeast Asia and parts of Africa, sustaining agriculture and replenishing rivers. The rains transform the landscape, turning dry fields into lush green expanses. Rivers swell with the influx of water, providing a vital resource for both people and wildlife. However, these life-giving rains can also become destructive, causing floods and landslides. The same rains that nourish the land can also bring devastation, washing away homes and crops and causing loss of life. The monsoon is a double-edged sword, bringing both sustenance and destruction. The monsoon is a powerful demonstration of the interconnectedness of the ocean and the land. It is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature and the profound impact that the Indian Ocean has on the regions that surround it. The monsoon is not just a weather pattern. It is a lifeline, a force of nature that shapes the lives of millions of people. Beneath the surface, the Indian Ocean explodes with colour and life. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, thrive in its warm, clear waters. These underwater ecosystems are among the most diverse and productive on the planet. They cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, but support about 25% of all marine species. The vibrant colours and intricate structures of coral reefs are a testament to the incredible biodiversity they harbour. These intricate structures, built by tiny animals called polyps, provide shelter and sustenance to a dazzling array of marine creatures. Polyps are small, soft-bodied organisms related to jellyfish and sea anemones. They form colonies and secrete calcium carbonate to build the hard, protective limestone skeletons that make up the reef. Over thousands of years, these skeletons accumulate to create the massive reef structures we see today. Fish in all shapes and sizes dart in and out of the coral branches. From tiny, colourful damselfish to larger predators like groupers and snappers, the reef is a bustling metropolis of marine life. Each species plays a unique role in the ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance that keeps the reef healthy and thriving. Sharks patrol the outer edges of the reef, acting as apex predators that help maintain the balance of marine populations. Their presence is a sign of a healthy reef, as they control the numbers of other species and prevent any one group from becoming too dominant, while graceful rays glide effortlessly through the water. These majestic creatures, with their wide, flat bodies and long, trailing tails, are a sight to behold. They use their wing-like pectoral fins to navigate the currents, often appearing to fly through the water with ease. Sea turtles, ancient mariners, graze on algae and jellyfish. These gentle giants have been around for over 100 million years, surviving through the ages and playing a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. By feeding on algae, they help maintain the balance of the reef, preventing algae from overgrowing and suffocating the corals. These reefs are not just beautiful, they are essential to the health of the ocean. They provide habitat and shelter for many marine organisms, serve as nurseries for young fish, and support the livelihoods of millions of people around the world. The complex interactions between the various species that inhabit the reef create a dynamic and resilient ecosystem. They provide food for millions of people, protect coastlines from erosion, and offer a source of new medicines. Coral reefs act as natural barriers, absorbing the energy of waves and reducing the impact of storms on coastal communities. They also hold the potential for groundbreaking medical discoveries, with many marine organisms producing compounds that could lead to new treatments for diseases. However, These delicate ecosystems are under threat from rising sea temperatures, ocean acidification and pollution. Climate change is causing sea temperatures to rise, leading to coral bleaching, where corals expel the symbiotic algae that give them their color and energy. Ocean acidification caused by increased carbon dioxide levels weakens the coral skeletons, making them more susceptible to damage. Pollution from land-based sources such as agricultural runoff and plastic waste further exacerbates the stress on these fragile ecosystems. Protecting these underwater cities is crucial for the health of the entire ocean. Conservation efforts are underway around the world to restore and protect coral reefs. These include initiatives to reduce carbon emissions, improve water quality, and establish marine protected areas. By working together, we can ensure that these vibrant and vital ecosystems continue to thrive for generations to come. The Indian Ocean is a highway for some of the largest creatures on Earth, whales. Humpback whales, known for their haunting songs and spectacular breaches, undertake epic migrations across vast distances. They spend the summer months feeding in the cold, nutrient-rich waters of the Southern Ocean near Antarctica. As winter approaches, they embark on a long journey north to warmer waters to breed and give birth. The Indian Ocean provides vital breeding and calving grounds for these gentle giants. Their presence is a testament to the health of the ocean, and their migrations remind us of the interconnectedness of life across the globe. For centuries, communities along the shores of the Indian Ocean have lived in harmony with its rhythms. Fishing is not just a livelihood for them, it's a way of life, passed down through generations. From the skilled fishermen of the Maldives to the traditional dhow sailors of East Africa, these communities rely on the ocean for sustenance and income. Their knowledge of the sea, passed down through stories and observation, is invaluable. However, overfishing, driven by growing demand and unsustainable practices, is putting immense pressure on fish populations. Climate change adds another layer of uncertainty, as warming waters and ocean acidification impact marine life. Sustainable fishing practices and responsible management are essential to ensure the livelihoods of these communities and the health of the ocean for generations to come. Thank you for watching Learning Life content. Like, share, comment and subscribe. This helps us to grow and motivates us to bring more interesting stories.